TripleChip here, and this is Unbox the Box. I picked this up a while ago at Costco here in Canada. Can't remember what I paid for it because I can't find the receipt, so I've been looking online. It's the Vornado. Circulates all the air in the room, 3-speed, quiet operation, got a 5-year guarantee, and it's the model 279. Don't get anything in the box, just some instructions. All around comfort throughout the whole room. Feel cooler no matter where you are. Unlike whole room circulation, oscillation only feels cooler when you're in the direct path of the airflow. The 279 provides comfortable whole room air circulation for the entire room by moving all the air, ensuring that everyone is consistently comfortable no matter where they sit. So kind of almost more like a Dyson, but it's the Vornado. So I was looking these up. I don't know if Costco, a lot of times they don't carry stuff after so long, but usually they only carry the best. So if you want to get one of these, if you go onto Amazon.ca, $152.80. Where your better option is, you go to the Amazon.com, $49.99 plus $15.63 delivery, which works out to, at the exchange, $88. So even if you got duty, you're looking maybe over $100, so you're going to save about $50, $60. So don't order from the Canadian side, you're going to get ripped off. I'll just show you, it's got 3 speed settings. And then you got number 1. You'll hear the difference in sound. It goes right down, that's 1. And then 3. Oh! Yeah, it's nice. It's winter time here, but it's nice to circulate the room if you're a smoker. So that's it. Vornado, one of the best fans you can buy out there. Go get yourself one. Highly recommend it. That's been about it for this one. So until next time, you all have a great day or night, whatever it is. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.